If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Roblox, you can follow these steps to help reduce the frequency of these interruptions. Here is a straightforward guide to assist you. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by running a speed test or connecting to a different network to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your computer or console, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This can help improve performance while playing Roblox. Step 4. Adjust Roblox settings. In Roblox, go to the settings menu and lower the graphics quality. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve connection stability. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing the likelihood of server timeouts. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize server timeout issues in Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience.